And pretty soon, I was ready to start work.
It's a lovely material to work with, aluminium, because it bends. Car makers can learn a lot from this simple system I've adopted. Ow! My life and it's not coming.
Or is it?
Really?
See, maybe this is a commentary on the superhuman, almost alien nature of a Formula One driver at this level. Because clearly, this isn't human. that much is immediately apparent. And what it's done is suck the life out of this corpse in the overalls here. That's leaning forwards. All of that's gone, drained out by this creature.
You're right. This is coming with us. This is properly amazing stuff. You should have used more than two.
Well, next time I know, and we know.
We just need a house with...
Tell me that isn't happening.
Oh,
Tell me that isn't happening.
That's not... I don't want to... And so as a result, they've recalled all the pushchairs. But the pushchairs are the same all over the world, and it's only in the States that they're recalling them. Not over here, for instance. They're...
No, there's a very good reason for that, though. I think it's because British parents are more, what's the word I'm looking for? Intelligent.
Yes.
Ready? My plums! The RAC has launched this. They're calling it Eau de Voiture.
Oh, sounds promising.
What you do is you spray it into your car, and as you... It makes it smell like a minicab.
Oh, it's quite strong.
Have some of that. You know,
But it is like a mini.
because it smells... Oh, my eyes!
You cretin!
I'm blind. The thing we've got to have is the letter I.
Why?
Because if you put a little I, not a capital I, little I with a dot on it, it tells everyone who sees it that it's eco, and that's okay.
Because it's got a very clever gearbox. It's called a... It's
Is it German?
Oh, it's a German name, but it's really
God.
complicated. So let me just spell this out. It's a DOPPELKUPPLUNG. SGETRIE. Plane of light just bouncing off here, and then work it in.
Our writer.
Oh, yes.
And some of the works of that era.
And African masks, I
exactly.
thought,
The African mask has had an influence on it. It's very angular, it's quite simplistic, it's quite primitive.
Has it been on fire?
No. Your
What does
opinion,
the
sir?
expert think?
Well, let's have a look at it in the round, you know. Quite like the welding. The welding's
We can repair this, James. That's better.
Wow! You see?
Okay, now, let's see the slow-motion crash footage.
We're going to crash.
Oh, my nose.
Oh, my chest.
Do you think we fooled them?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're alive.
We're alive!
Wow, that was...
It's not even marked.
Oh, man, that was...
staggering. I think this is very convincing. Okay, it is now time to watch that crash at the speed it actually happened.
We're going to crash.
Oh, my nose.
Oh, my chest.
So you just put that up at the side of the road
There's
and then...
no need to demonstrate! How did you think that was going to go? How did you think that was going to work? You great 28.
Do you know what, honestly, I'd rather just crap myself.
Our genius plan was to paint the inside of the car on the outside. with James taking the bonnet, me the side, and Jeremy the boot.
Can you tell what it is yet?
Jeremy, though, didn't quite get the idea.
Right, red for the blood.
Mate? What? But it's supposed to be what's inside the car.
How do you know there isn't a horse's head in the boot?
To make matters worse, in the gallery, May was busy ignoring our instructions to make the audio guide interesting.
10, as it was codenamed during development, rejecting the complicated hydrogas suspension of its forebear, the Allegro, in favour of a straightforward steel-sprung chassis with a torsion beam rear axle unashamedly derived from a design already used to great effect. Hello. Yeah, I'm doing it. I've just... Yes, I know it's got to be done by 3:30, but I can't do it because people keep ringing me up and asking me if I've done it yet.
You need to define greatness, and that's the important thing. And just because something's unreliable, well, doesn't mean it isn't great. Stephen Hawking's great bloke, even though a lot of him doesn't work.
I was coming around the corner, doing about 27 miles an hour, and a cow was there. And I just had nowhere to go because of this. I tell you, there was a school bus. Well, it was a bus full of children, handicapped children, and I saw some ginger ones on it. So I thought, well, I'll have to miss that, so I'll put it in the ditch rather than into the children.
Frankly, it was hard to see how we could possibly pass this, but then James came up with a plan.
Right, we need a camera.
Yeah.
A plan that would fool even the most astute EU bureaucrat.
Action.
Wow!
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 Pendulum. Toi cool!
All right.
So, now our car is going to face the fearsome pendulum test.
Tomorrow morning is your opportunity to soak up some art.
Madam, in the black tracksuit, sir.
In the white tracksuit top, you could visit Mima. You, young man, in the grey
Grey tracksuit trousers.
You, sir, in the blue tracksuit top. Tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock.
At Mima.
Art is for the masses.
Art is for you, sir.
In the black tracksuit trousers, and you, young man, in the blue tracksuit trousers, there is a festival of art available for you.
James, are you still working on that thing?
Yes.
Do you want to go on this?
No.
It's great once you've got the hang of it.
No.
Yeah, that's yourself.
Actually, I'm a bit bored with the gockicle. I'm going to go and introduce Jeremy's film on the BMW X6. Now, normally, of course, he would go and drive it in a sewer or blow it up or something like that. Unfortunately, Richard Hammond spent most of what we had left on his Look at this! It's a fork on one end and a 10mm ring spanner on the other.
And the best thing is, there's another spanner in the middle, look!
No, but this means you can go seamlessly from mending your motorcycle to eating a pie without even pausing.
By midday, the numbers had picked up a bit. But instead of following a prescribed route through the gallery, everyone was all over the place thanks to James's useless audio guide.
And then, walking through the white door, we arrive at the upstairs gallery. Actually, that's not quite right. Into the next room, the door of which should be open. Bloody Nora. Sorry, but I can't do it because people keep ringing me up and asking me if I've done it yet. Turn it off. Where's Hammond?
Well, call him.
Right then, lads, we're going to get on with this. Let's get going.
That works. What?
What?
Nothing. Nothing.